The Introduction to Python Programming course is carefully crafted for individuals who are new to the world of programming. This comprehensive beginner-level course is designed to provide a solid foundation in Python, one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in the tech industry. Course Overview. Python is renowned for its readability and simplicity, making it an ideal choice for beginners. This course starts by demystifying the fundamentals of Python, including variables, data types, and basic operations. As the course progresses, students will delve into more advanced topics such as control structures, functions, and data manipulation. Why learn Python? Python's versatility extends to various domains, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. As you gain proficiency in Python, you'll be prepared to dive into these exciting fields and harness its capabilities. Course benefits. Upon completing this course, students will not only possess a deep understanding of Python's syntax and structure, but also have the confidence to embark on further coding journeys. This strong foundation will pave the way for more advanced programming concepts and languages. Target audience. This course welcomes individuals from diverse backgrounds, including students, professionals exploring career switches, and hobbyists interested in discovering the art of coding. Our tailored approach ensures that even those with no prior programming experience can comfortably embark on this learning adventure. Career exploration. As you complete this certificate program, you'll find yourself well equipped to explore various career paths that leverage Python. From crafting dynamic websites to crunching data for valuable insights, Python's applications are boundless. You'll have the knowledge to consider roles such as a web developer, data analyst, or even an aspiring machine learning engineer.